Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of unhiding a story in Snapchat. If you've accidentally hidden a story or want to restore a previously hidden one, stick around for this full guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device and navigate to the Stories section. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the screen. Step 2. Look for the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to access additional options. Step 3. From the menu that appears, tap on View Hidden Channels. This will take you to the list of stories that you have hidden. Step 4. Within the View Hidden Channels section, locate the story you want to unhide. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific story. Step 5. Once you've found the hidden story you want to unhide, tap on it to open it. Step 6. On the Stories page, look for the option to unhide. The exact location may vary depending on the Snapchat version, but it is usually represented by a button or an icon. Tap on it to unhide the story, and just like that, you can unhide a story in Snapchat, ensuring you don't miss out on any content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.